For 90 years, this school community has lived its mission of empowering every student to maximize their potential. Tens of thousands of students have passed through the hallways of this school, sat in the classrooms, and engaged with dedicated teachers and staff members who have led, innovated, and inspired.
Educators have the most important job in our country. That's why 35 years ago, a man named Lowell Milken created a program to honor outstanding educators. The program is called the Milken Educator Award. This spring, we've been traveling all over the country presenting Milken Awards to outstanding educators. The Milken Educator Award goes to Melissa Salkeld!
We are so blessed and fortunate to have you here at Prettyboy, to have you in Baltimore County, to be a shining example in the state. So thank you so much for the compassion and the love that you bring to this job every day.
I am just honored to be here in front of greatness. I would like to invite you to the state board so we can honor you. And I would like to also learn from you. Please tell us how we can get better and smarter based on what you are doing each and every day. So congratulations, your mom is amazing. And so thank you so much.
This is not my forte, standing up, speaking in front of everybody. I'm better in the classroom with the children, but oh my goodness, I am shocked and I'm so honored. I've been here for 14 years and I do what I do because I love it. I love the children. The staff here is amazing. I know that this has my name on it, but everybody that I work here with is amazing. Their support, their care, and their love truly means the world to me, and I know to everybody else here. I'm shocked. I'm like speechless. I don't have any, I just can't believe I'm standing up here.